Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account and polishing your profile so readers trust you. Then open New Story and import or paste a 200-word draft. Once done, set a clear working title and organize your sections with H2s for scannability. Make sure to save often medium autosaves, but manual saves prevent losses during edits. Now prepare the first visual and pick 3-5 tags to guide discovery. This gets the mechanics moving while you refine content. You now focus on the detailed execution. Format headings, bold essential terms, and break text into short paragraphs so readers stay engaged. Once formatted, add 1 to 3 high-resolution images with alt text and proper credits to boost visual appeal and accessibility. Make sure to insert internal links to your related posts and external references where useful. This helps context and SEO. Finally, pick 3-5 precise tags that balance niche relevance and audience reach to improve discovery. You finish by choosing Publish. Write a concise preview line and confirm distribution or schedule the post for peak hours. Once live, share immediately to Twitter, LinkedIn, and your newsletter so initial traction triggers Medium's algorithms. Make sure to monitor stats and respond to comments within 24-48 hours to build engagement. If something goes wrong, like images failing or links broken, edit the post, clear cache, and republish. If issues persist, duplicate the story into a fresh draft and publish again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.